Hello dear class 10 students, I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to start the first lecture of this chapter, Human Eye and the Colorful World. Now see here, our human body and inventions of science are closely related. So let us see how they are related. For example, our clenched fist and hammer, they both are similar. Because with our clenched fist we can hit something, right? Similarly, hammer is a tool which is used to hit nails into a piece of wood or a wall. Even it is used to break things into pieces. So this is how they both are similar. Okay guys, now let us see the next example, how legs and wheel are closely related. So with the help of our leg we can move, right? Our legs even carry the weight of our body and support us when we stand. Similarly, wheels allow heavy objects to be moved, easily facilitating movement or transportation while supporting a load. So this is how our legs and wheel they are related. Clear everyone? Okay guys, now let us see the third example, how our brain and computer are closely related. So guys, can you tell me what are the similarities between human brain and a computer? Yes, we know that there are lots of similarities, right? Like information processing, memory, electrical signals, etc. So both human brain and computer, they use electrical signals to send messages. And they both can store memories. Am I clear everyone? Okay, now let us see the last example, how human eye and camera are related. So first of all, both the eye and the camera, they have convex lens, which focuses light onto a light-sensitive material. And they both produce an inverted image. Remember that, okay? So guys, these are the few examples how human body and inventions of science are closely related. So I hope there is no doubt. Great. Alright guys, now let's start the main part. So let us discuss structure of human eye. So guys, আজি lecture আমি mainly human eye উপৰত discuss কৰিম, ঠিক আছে? এতিয়া সোৱা তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে এটা piece of information দিয়া আছে। So আমাৰ eye diameter টো হৈছে 2.4 cm. Okay, the diameter of eye is about 2.4 cm. Okay guys, এতিয়া তোমালোকে eye structure টো সোৱা। So আমাৰ চকুৰ front part টোত এটা thin transparent membrane আছে। Okay, so সেই transparent membrane টোকে কয় cornea, as you can see here. এতিয়া corneaৰ main function টো কি? So lighter যোনটো maximum refraction হয়, সেই maximum refraction টো cornea পাই হয়, as you can see here. Am I clear everyone? So cornea is a thin transparent membrane and the function is maximum refraction of light takes place from cornea. Okay. Next iris to soa. So behind the cornea there is a dark fleshy screen called the iris. So cornea খনৰ back side এখন dark fleshy screen আছে. So হেতুৱে হৈছে iris. So basically iris টো হৈছে আমাৰ চকুত থকা pigmented colored portion টো, which is visible externally. Okay guys, next slide ত আমি iris ৰ function গিটা চাম। এতিয়া pupil টো সোৱা। So pupil is opening of the changing diameter at the center of the iris. So iris ৰ center এটা small opening আছে, সেই opening টোৱে হৈছে pupil. আৰু pupil ৰ main function টো হৈছে আমাৰ চকুত লাইট টো হুমাবলে এলাও কৰে। Clear everyone? Alright guys, এতিয়া iris ৰ function গিটা সোৱা। So it regulates the amount of light entering the eye. এতিয়া আমাৰ চকুত কিমান amount of light হুমাব হেতু regulate কৰে iris এ। Clear everyone? Next function টো হৈছে it imparts color to the eye. So already মই mention কৰিছিলো যে আমাৰ চকুত থকা pigmented colored portion টোৱে হৈছে iris. So basically এটা personৰ eye color টোৱে depend কৰে iris টোৰ ওপৰত। Okay, now see here. In bright light, pupil contracts, but in dim light, pupil widens. So students, তোমালোকে ক'ব পাৰিবানে pupil টোৱে bright lightত কিয় contract কৰে? So reason টো হৈছে এতিয়া সোৱা আমাৰ চকুত যদি বহুত বেছি bright light হুমাই তেতিয়া আমাৰ চকুটো ড্যামেজ হোৱাৰ চান্স থাকে। Damage in the sense damaging the retina. So বেছিকে bright light টো আমাৰ চকুত নুহুমাবৰ কাৰণে pupil টোৱে contract কৰি prevent কৰে. That means to prevent too much light from entering the eye. So I hope you all understood. আৰু dim lightত widen কৰা reason এইটোৱে যে যাতে আমাৰ চকুত বেছিকে লাইটটো সোমাব পাৰে. Okay? So the pupils they widen in dim light to allow more light to enter the eye. Clear everyone? এতিয়া চোৱা adaptation বুলিলে কি বুজা? So আমাৰ চকুত যেতিয়া লাইটটো সোমায়, so লাইটটো সোমাওতে pupilটোৱে যোনটো adjust কৰে হেতাকে কয় adaptation. So definition to চোৱা, the tendency of the pupil to adjust the opening for light is called adaptation. Okay, now see here. As I already told you, different color of eye is because of different color of iris. So এতিয়া বেলেগ eye colors আছে, right? যেনেকে brown, green, blue, hazel, etc. So এই eye colors বোৰ irisৰ ওপৰতে determine কৰে. So I hope you all understood. Great. এতিয়া next eye lens খন চোৱা. As you can see here, eye lens is transparent double convex lens. So আমাৰ চকুত থকা lens খন হৈছে এখন transparent আৰু double convex lens, or you can say biconvex lens. Am I clear guys? Next retina খন চোৱা. So the screen on which the image is formed in the eye is called retina. So retina খন হৈছে আমাৰ চকুত থকা এখন screen য'ত ইমেজটো ফৰ্ম হয়. And it is the innermost layer of the eye, as you can see in the structure, right? So it is light sensitive screen made up of light sensitive cells. These cells get activated upon illumination. So retina খন হৈছে এখন light sensitive screen য'ত light sensitive cells made up হয়. Okay? আৰু এই cells বোৰ light পালে activate হৈ যায়. Or you can say these cells get activated upon illumination. Clear everyone? Now see, retina has two kinds of light sensitive cells. They are rods and cones. So retinat দুটা light sensitive cells আছে, rods আৰু cones. আৰু এই rod cells বোৰ আমাৰ আইজে লাইটৰ বেলেগ ইন্টেন্সিটিত এডজাস্ট কৰিবৰ কাৰণে ৰেসপন্সিবল. So তোমালোকৰ এক্সামত হয়তো আহিব পাৰে rodsৰ ফাংচনটো কি বা rods are responsible for what. So you have to write rods are responsible for adjusting our eyes to different intensities of light. I hope you all understood. এতিয়া চোৱা cone cells বোৰ mainly color perception কাৰণে responsible. Mainly these cone cells allow us to see different colors. Clear everyone? Okay, great. এতিয়া চোৱা optic nerve. So optic nerve carries electrical signals to the brain. So optic nerve আমাৰ ৰেটিনাৰ পৰা ব্ৰেইনলে ইলেক্ট্ৰিকেল সিগনেল বা নাৰ্ভ ইম্পালস ক্যাৰি কৰি লৈ যায় for perception. And as you can see here, it is located at the posterior portion of the eyes. Basically, this optic nerve act as a carrier. Clear everyone? এতিয়া চোৱা কৰ্নিয়াৰ আৰু লেন্সৰ মাজত কিছুমান watery fluid থাকে. So সেই watery fluidকে aqueous humor বুলি কয়. And the function of this aqueous humor is to nourish our eyes. Next চোৱা eye lens আৰু retinar মাজত কিছুমান transparent jelly like substance থাকে. Okay? So hey transparent jelly like substance okay vitreous humor বুলি কোৱা হয়. আৰু এই vitreous humor main function to হৈছে to protect the eyes. And this vitreous humor it mainly contains water. Clear guys? Then see blind spot. So at blind spot there are no light sensitive cells. That means there are no rods or cones, due to which no vision is possible at that spot. এতিয়া চোৱা এই blind spot টোত কোনো ধৰণৰ light sensitive cells নাই. এতিয়া light sensitive cells বোৰ হৈছে rods আৰু cones, right? So এই spot টোত যেহেতু কোনো ধৰণৰ light sensitive cells নাই, so সেই কাৰণে ইয়াত vision টো possible নহয়. So এই spot টোক blind spot বুলি কয়. Okay, এতিয়া next চোৱা ciliary muscles. So ciliary muscles change thickness of eye lens while focusing. So আমাৰ eye lens যেতিয়া focus কৰে তেতিয়া focus কৰোতে eye lens খনৰ thickness টো change কৰাত এই ciliary muscles help কৰে. Am I clear? And now see these are eye muscles. এতিয়া চোৱা আমাৰ চকুৰ outer coveringত এটা white layer আছে. So সেই white layer টোক sclerotic coat বুলি কোৱা হয়. So it's like a white membrane that with the cornea forms the outer covering. and its main function is to protect the eyeball. আৰু এই sclerotic coatটোক sclera বুলিও কোৱা হয়. I hope you all understood. Great. Next, choroidটো হৈছে আমাৰ চকুৰ মাজত থকা কিছুমান layer of tissues that contains blood vessels and connective tissue. And as you can see here, the location of the choroid is between the sclera or the sclerotic coat and the retina. আৰু এই choroidৰ main functionটো হৈছে it supplies oxygen and nutrients to the eye. Clear everyone? Okay guys, we have discussed the structure and functions of the human eye in detail. And I hope you all understood. And in case if you have any doubt, you can comment below. Alright? So guys, তোমালোকে eye structure আৰু functions খিনি ভালকে revision কৰিবা. কাৰণ ইয়াৰ পৰা MCQs আহিব পাৰে. ঠিক আছে? Alright. Now, let's learn to draw human eye. So students, first stepত তোমালোকে compass এডালৰ helpত যিকোনো radiusত eyeballটো draw কৰিবা. ঠিক আছে? Next stepত radiusটো change কৰি আৰু এটা circle draw কৰিবা. As you can see here. এতিয়া চোৱা, examত যদি তোমালোকৰ human eyeটো draw কৰিবলৈ আহে, তেতিয়া step by step কেনেকৈ draw কৰিবা হেতু চাই যাবা. So draw কৰাৰ আগত proper human eye labelingটো যদি তোমালোকে জানা, then it will be easy for you. So now see here, this is the complete diagram of human eye. Now let's do the labeling. Alright, so these are eye muscles. এতিয়া চোৱা, আমাৰ চকুৰ front partটোত এটা thin transparent membrane আছে. Right? So he thin transparent membraneটোৱে হৈছে cornea. আৰু এই cornea through দিয়ে lightৰ maximum refractionটো হয়. I hope you all remember this. এতিয়া চোৱা, আমাৰ irisৰ centerত এটা small opening আছে. So hey small openingটোকে কয় pupil. And this pupil allows light to enter. Clear everyone? এতিয়া আমি জানো যে irisটো হৈছে এটা pigmented colored portion of the eye, right? Which is visible externally. So আমাৰ চকুত কিমান amount of light সোমাব হেতু irisে regulate কৰে. Okay, এতিয়া next চোৱা, এইখন হৈছে eye lens. So eye lensখন হৈছে এখন transparent biconvex lens, or you can say double convex lens. Next চোৱা, ciliary muscles. So আমি জানো যে ciliary musclesে lensখনৰ thicknessটো change কৰে যেতিয়া eye lensখনে focus কৰে. And as you can see in this diagram, the lens is attached to the ciliary body or by the ciliary muscles. এতিয়া next চোৱা, retina. So retinaটো হৈছে আমাৰ চকুত থকা এটা innermost layer. আৰু এই retinaখন এখন স্ক্ৰিনৰ নিচিনা য'ত ইমেজটো ফৰ্ম হয়. আৰু এই স্পটটো হৈছে blind spot. So আমি জানো যে blind spotত কোনো ধৰণৰ light sensitive cells নাই. Light sensitive cells যেনে rods আৰু cones. আৰু সেই কাৰণে এই স্পটটোত visionটো ফৰ্ম নহয় বা no vision is possible at this spot. Alright, এতিয়া next চোৱা, optic nerve. So optic nerveটো আমাৰ চকুৰ একেবাৰে posterior portionটোত located. Can you see here? আৰু এই optic nerve nerve impulseটো আমাৰ retinaৰ পৰা brainলৈ carry কৰি লৈ যায়. So it does act as a carrier. Okay guys, so this is the complete structure of human eye with proper labeling. So practice it properly, okay? Now shall we move to the next slide? Okay, so let's do some quick revision. So match the function to its respective part of the human eye. So question 2 human eye parts bur dia ase aru parts samuhor functions dia ase. Aru tumaluke parts buror functions to match koribo lage. I hope you all can do by yourself. So first ate pupil dia ase. Etia ami janu je pupilor main function to hoise amar sokut kiman amount of light humai hetu pupile regulate kore. Right? So option C2 hoise correct match. Etia next optic nerve to soa. So optic nerve se electrical signal retinar pra brain ole carry kore. So option C is the correct match. It carries information of retinal image to the brain. Etia next soa cornea. So ami janu je cornea to hoise amar sokur front part ot thoka eta thin transparent membrane jot lightor maximum refraction hoy. So definitely option A is the correct match. So cornea it bulges outwards and hence causes maximum refraction of light. Clear everyone? Next see cone cells. So definitely we know that Cone cells are responsible for color perception. So option F is the correct match. It conveys the colors of image to the brain. Etia next soa iris. So I hope tumaluke etia definitely jana je irisor ki function. So mainly it regulates the amount of light that entering the eyes, and the second function is it imparts color to the eye. So yeah, definitely option B is the correct match, right? It imparts color to the human eye. Next eye lens, it's very easy. Option D is the correct match. It converts the rays of light so that the image is formed on the retina within the eye. And there it forms a real and inverted image. Clear everyone? Alright, last one. Etia rod cells or functions ki? Can you tell me? Yes, they are responsible for adjusting our eyes to different intensities of light. So lighter beleg intensity jate amar sokutwe adjust koribo pare, so tar karne a rod cells were responsible. So option E2 correct match. It conveys the degree of brightness to the brain. Okay guys, so I hope there is no doubt in this part. Now let us see in the next slide the power of accommodation. So power of accommodation bulile ki buja? So amar eye lens khonor focal length change korar juntu capacity hetake koi power of accommodation. Definition to soa, the capacity of the lens to change its focal length as per need is called its power of accommodation. Okay guys, etia ami tinta case discuss korim. So first case tut soa, jetia eta object durot thake, so he durot thoka object to jetia ami sabole try koru, tetia amar sokur lens khon flat hoi jay, as you can see here, right? So lens khon flat hoar karone focal length to increase hoy. So while seeing objects at large infinite distances, the lens of the eye becomes flat and its focal length increases. Clear everyone? Eta next case tut soa. So usorot thoka object to jetia ami sabole try koru, tetia amar sokur lens khon round hoi jay. Can you see here? Aru lens kon round hoar karone focal length to decrease hoy. So in case of nearby objects, while seeing, the lens becomes more rounded and its focal length decreases. So monot rakhiba, durot thoka object eta ami saute amar sokur lens kon flat hoy aru titia focal length to increase hoy. Kintu usor bostu eta saute amar sokur lens kon round hoi jay. Okay? Aru focal length to decrease hoy. I hope there is no doubt. Okay, now let us see the last part. The minimum distance of an object from a normal eye at which it is clearly visible without stress on the eye is called as minimum distance of distinct vision. So minimum distance of distinct vision to hoise normal eye para jetia eta object minimum distance ot thake, so hey object to amar sokut stress noporake clearly visible hoy. Am I clear guys? So for a normal human eye, at the near point is at 25 cm. So this is the closest distance at which an object can be placed and still produce a sharp image on the retina. And it's also called the least distance of distinct vision. Aru a point to tumalukor MCQs ot ahibo pare, so monot rakhiba, thik ase? Okay guys, we are done for the first lecture. So azil class tut ami structure and functions of the human eye to discuss korilu aru power of accommodation, right? So guys, do the revision and stay tuned for the next lecture. Thank you.